Did you know that the cat-cow pose has many benefits for the mind, body, and spirit? The cat-cow pose is a fun and energizing way to start or end your day or break up any sitting period. The pose is a gentle backbend that engages your abdominal muscles to help you breathe deeply into your belly. The cat-cow movement is intended to stretch your spine, open your chest and shoulders, and massage your internal organs. It can also help you release tension in the neck and back. The spine, neck, and shoulders are lengthened as you arch backward like a cat and then round forward like a cow for an overall full body stretch. This pose also helps relieve acid reflux or heartburn symptoms, such as nausea or a sour stomach. Being able to inhale and exhale deeply in this position fully increases the benefits of both poses. In the cat-cow pose, you start with a seated position and then work gradually from a cat to a cow, being on all fours with the hands parallel to the floor and the knees slightly bent. The spine will start to arch, which will open up the chest, releasing tension from your back. This pose can be held for up to 60 seconds or repeated 5 to 10 times during a session. If desired, the mat may be used to raise the knees off the floor for an easier variation. It will take about 5 minutes to complete one full set of cat-cow poses. Start with 10 repetitions of each pose in succession, 5 reps for each side. You can do additional sets if you like, or stop when you feel satisfied with how it's working for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to help the channel. Other benefits of the cat-cow pose. By repeating this pose often, you will feel an increase in energy and vitality and decrease stress and anxiety. It also provides many other benefits like improved posture, better digestion, stronger core muscles, more flexible hamstrings, back pain relief, improved breathing capacity, strengthens the abdominal muscles, massages the internal organs, opens the chest and throat area, releases tension in the neck and shoulders, and relaxes tense muscles in the lower back. How to do the cat-cow pose. 1. When on your hands and knees, your knees should be hip-width distance and your hands should be directly below your shoulders. Your spine is neutral here. 2. Inhale as you drop your belly and lift your eyes and your tailbone towards the sky. Cow pose. 3. Exhale as you slowly tuck your chin towards your chest. Lift your mid-back towards the sky and scoop your tailbone under. Cat pose. 4. Do at least 4 rounds of these, then return to a neutral spine. Well, that's it for today. We hope you make the cat-cow pose an essential part of your routine. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. If you got value from this video, like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more exciting and beneficial health facts for your body. You should also watch the following 2 videos. You'll gain a lot of benefits from watching them. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.